This is a Nico Kinetic Friends of Hue smart light switch. So it doesn't need any batteries, and the force of pressing the switch is enough to generate some electricity so that it sends a Zigbee signal to a Philips Hue hub, and that's enough to control lights. This has been sitting in our so-called finished part of the house, or this finished renovated kitchen, for nearly 2 years, and it's just been living here on the side of the bench. You see, I've been trying to decide, is this the right switch and is this the right place? Well, today is the day to put it on the wall. That's done. So there you go. Only took 2 years. Now it's done. See you tomorrow.